Hello again, people. Right, as you know, I'm getting jumped in with both feet looking at stocks. I'm really enjoying it. I'm loving TradingView as a charting package, but I am very new to stocks, so you need to be aware of that. None of it is trading advice at this point. Well, none of what I do is trading advice, but at this point I am still need to declare that I'm still learning about stocks, but I'm blown away by them. You're looking at a monthly chart for this stock here, Turtle Beach Corporation, and it occurred to me that I don't mention forget to mention certain things that are very important in terms of targets and stuff, how trends work, support and resistance, and so on and so forth. Basically what we do, this is a 1-2 on a monthly chart. This is a 1-2-3 higher low reversal. You could call it cup and handle and all sorts like that, but at the end of the day, this low has not exceeded this low. So what that means is this apparent resistance has not forced price below here. So consequently, that is what I would consider and call minor resistance. It is part of the uptrend. Now obviously, or potentially, it will always cause a problem because we have to get through it in order for this to actually be a 1-2-3 higher low reversal. So once we are through it, and you can look at that on the line chart, literally it just needs to have, a candle needs to have closed above the high on that chart there for me to consider this broken. So if we stick a level across there, let's go a bit higher, about there. I mean, you can find these levels precisely, of course, but and then we look at the candle chart. That candle's clearly broken that line, clearly, with loads of room, and then we've popped back to test it. Let's zoom in a bit. I honestly didn't know this before I put that level there, but you can clearly see also you could have just used the flip area, but look what it's done. It's popped straight back to it, almost to the pip, and then continued up. So I really truly didn't do that, but that's the power of these flip zones. So we could have just put it on here, or price pivot zone, call it what you like, but the whole point of this chart is that the target should really be the major, this is a major resistance because it's forced price down. That's resistance because back to the line chart, because these lows have been broken by price, lows broken by price here. That's why I consider this to be a strong potential target area. This resistance is part of the downtrend, so that's forced price down too. But so that would be a problem area. That would be a potential target area for any trades that you were buying the dips of. This is the next target area now. That was an area that we would have wanted to close above too. That will probably be some sort of candlestick flip zone as well. Yeah, we can clearly see that if we zoom in. Again, I didn't even notice that either prior to looking at that little blip on the line chart. So, flick between your line charts and your candles and you will find these significant areas. And once again, we've just broken through that. We've pulled back to probably this flip area here. And you can see we've got a significant flip area there too, and potentially now this is perfectly ripe for an entry using the lower time frames. And remember, I do go down to the 1 minute time frame to time my entries. Stocks are different obviously because of the way the markets work pre-open and all that malarkey, but this looks like it's got a lot further to go. We've broken the minor resistance there, come back, tested resistance as support, which is exactly what it should do. So the end of that month, that was the best place to actually have noticed that. That's 14 days ago now. But that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to make this video about, was when you're looking at your targets, use your your 1 2 3 high low, bust that, and you're good to go to the next significant area. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.